Good morning and welcome to day 13. Going to get started with some morning coffee. My coffee this time. I did not taste yesterday's coffee. But anyway, we're going to see what 13 has to offer for us for the day. And I've got some stuff going on today, so you'll come along with me.
Happy Hanukkah and Merry Christmas to all.
Yes! Hazelnut coffee cake. That looks yummy. Grapefruit dragon fruit spread. Interesting. And you're waiting so nicely. Would you like some treats? You don't eat these cat treats anymore, so let's just get you regular ones. Come on. Come on, baby. Good boy. Here you go. You like those? Putting cream in it for right now and see how it tastes. It's nice. I love the flavor coffees. Little not sweet enough for me, and so I'm going to add a little bit extra to it, but not a bad way to start my day. So I am behind on the jams. This is the cherry blackberry from that advent calendar that I have, and it's a little tart on its own, so I added peanut butter, and I'm taking this to go because I am now headed to the Spice and Tea Exchange in St. Petersburg. I'm an elite Yelper, and we get some kind of special holiday package, and I'm also going to look for some saffron. I believe they sell spices and Spice and Tea Exchange, so let's go to St. Petersburg. Yelper, you write a bunch of reviews. You have to have at least 30 before you can nominate yourself, and I've been on Elite Yelper for 5 years now. If I get accepted again for next year, it'll be 6 years, and I absolutely love it. It's a lot of fun, and you get some perks, but you write reviews and help others out. So whenever I'm out and about and I'm looking for a review, I always look to Yelp to see what the elites are saying about the places, and we do tend to sometimes base our picks on what people have reviewed it on. Anyway, so I got a decaf iced tea of the Spiced Ruby Cider. It's really good. It's very wintry because it's got that cinnamon spice to it. I did put some stevia in it because it was a little too bitter for me. So anyway, now I'm heading back into my car. I'm gonna go back over the bridge. And I think next up is Hanukkah tonight, and of course the wine and cheese. That's later. Made a pit stop to Trader Joe's, and I'm going to show you what I got. I just a very small haul. Okay, so first off is the turkey pumpkin mole burrito. Now I did buy this last time, but somehow it ended up staying in my trunk and I had to throw it away. So I never got to try it. So we're gonna try it again. I got some more of the chocolate covered strawberries because they're yummy. I'm doing Hanukkah tonight, so I'm making a charcuterie, and I'm going to include these mac and cheese bites, which I've never had. I was talking to a girl in the store, and she said that I haven't lived until I've tried these, so we're gonna try these. I haven't had these in a while, so I grabbed one of these. I'm going to make pigs in a blanket tonight, so here's the blanket for the pig. I'm almost out of this dip. It is amazing if you haven't had it yet. Light eggnog, because eggnog is not going to be around for much longer. My almond milk, which is really the only reason I was going in there, that and to get lunch. A turkey apple cheddar sandwich. I ate it. It was very yummy. And last but not least, the stroopwafel. It looks interesting, and it's only once a year, so why not? Okay, I am back from the store. I had to go back out again, and I decided that tonight, for the Hanukkah celebration, it's only 4 of us, my husband, my stepson, and my brother. And we are going to have a lot of different appetizers and stuff, but I thought we needed some protein. So I have turkey meatballs from Trader Joe's, but it's not enough to feed everybody. So I found these on sale at Publix, or buy one, get one. And my grandmother's meatball sauce. So I'm going to show you the recipe. I'm doing it all in a crock pot. Everything is pre-cooked, so it just needs to all heat up together. So I'm going to start it off at high to get the process started, because all the stuff needs to melt. And I'm gonna lower the camera so you can see exactly what goes into it. Okay, you're going to need meatballs. You can pre-make them, or you can actually cook them in here. Mine are going to be the frozen kind. Okay, so you're going to need 2 bottles of the Heinz chili sauce, a can of cranberry sauce, and you're supposed to have grape jelly. I don't have any in the house, so I'm just gonna try this. That came in the jam box, and why not? This one is cherry and blackberry, so maybe that'll give it a little bit of different taste. You're gonna wanna cut this up so it better distributes throughout the pot. And I'm just gonna add the rest of this instead of the grape jelly, but you're supposed to use about a tablespoon of grape jelly if you have it. Now normally you have a ton of leftover sauce, so I'm thinking that 3 bags of meatballs should definitely cover all the meatballs, and once it gets more melted, it'll cover more of them. So I'm just going to put it on high for right now, and then once it melts, I'll just put it on warm, and that's it. I'm also going to make pigs in a blanket with the crescent rolls that I got from Trader Joe's. I've never had their brand before, only Pillsbury, but I think it should be probably exactly the same. I use about half for each third of the hot dog. And then with a snap of my fingers, you'll see the finished product. Let's see what lucky number 13 has in store for us. Okay, maybe a white zin. Yep, white Zinfandel. I knew by the color. Cheddar with chive and onion. Okay, I like this kind of cheese. By the way, that game that I showed you is Catan, and right now we're having a family game of it. It is the most fun game. We learned it in quarantine, and now we're obsessed with all the different versions of it. All right, so I'm going to try the wine and the cheese, and I'm going to go back with my family to finish playing and call it a night for this vlog. So, white zin, typically don't drink them much anymore. That was like one of my first switchovers to wine when I was in college. So let's see how this one is. Actually, it's not bad. It doesn't burn, which is good, which is not means it's not too acidic. It's kind of like got a berry flavor with it. I'm gonna try it with this cheese. Now, this is the cheese that I had when I was at Disney. If you haven't seen that video, watch it up above. It's also linked below in all the days. Oh, actually kind of interesting. I don't know that it changes the flavor. I mean, you've got a not super sweet, not sweet like the other night, but sweeter wine and a pungent cheese with onion. If you have the wine and cheese and you try this, tell me what you think. Leave a comment down below. All right, on that note, day 13 is done. Thank you for tuning into the wonderful world of Wendy. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Give me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 14. Bye.